Alright, Rebecca and I are parked on Forest Road 1802. We're going to go down here to Bear Creek, check out the waterfalls. The Jeep road is just right up here to our right. Should be a good day of hiking. And this is why I couldn't take the Camry down the Jeep road. Definitely need a four-wheel drive to get down this road. Why are you going that way?
Oh, because I feel like swimming.
A lot of these really long mud holes through here. Alright, we didn't go very far and we came to the meadow that we got to cross. Should be back here somewhere.
Turn and went to Louisiana. We're at the bayou.
There's that upland swamp.
It'd be really cool. I saw a gator pop up.
A gator?
Yeah.
Alright, this is our volunteer trail. The swamp is that way. And still got plenty of meadow left, or food plot as some people call it. It's right here in the middle. You can go in through here. Dropping down. This is going to be fun coming up. I don't know why Rebecca's going so slow. It's not like we're dropping down like really fast or anything. Just follow the ribbons. It's a cool little overhang.
Maybe it is again. Look at all the ferns.
Yeah, it's pretty. I was definitely expecting more water though. Promising, promising. There's no name for it. Just a little waterfall on the creek. I'm assuming this feeds Swamp Falls. So I checked Rick's hiking blog and he calls this Upper Halfway Falls. Well, nice little cascade here. And I don't know if you can see it, but there's another creek coming in from up here into this pool, and it's going on down. Trail is kind of hard to follow in parts. but there's ribbons throughout the forest that you can see. That we're just staying on the right side of the creek here, going down. It's kind of weird, the trail keeps going down this way and it looks pretty beaten down. Goes up that way, but there's a ribbon down there in the trees that's not even nowhere near the trail. So we were down there when apparently we should have been up here. So I guess trust the ribbons and don't trust the ribbons.
I need to know what the purpose of that. Why do we have to have those plants?
Poison ivy?
Poison ivy, poison oak, too mad.
To make you mad. When you're allergic to poison ivy, this is how you hike.
Right in the face.
There's our first look at Sidewinder Falls. Real nice. Real nice.
It wasn't even timed this time.
Alright, so we dropped below the falls. We're going to walk the creek down to the next set. Alrighty, still following the creek down.
There's no shooting back here on the side. They're taking in the narrows again.
Yeah. Well, I think we might find another waterfall. Picking up speed over there. Well, we got to the top of V-slot. Where are you going? What do you think?
I think it's very cool.
This is wild. For someone that is scared of heights like me, this is not cool. Alright, this is the top of Slot Pool Falls. Pretty sweet. I like this moss. Alright, trying to get to the bottom of Slot Pool Falls. On a mission. My first decent view of the falls. You gonna make it? That trail to get to the bottom of Slot Pool is really eroded. There's some big old trees down here. Man, this tree is wild. That's cool. Hey, come stand underneath this. This thing is awesome. All right, we're downstream from Slot Pool. I wanted to come and check out Goldilocks Falls. You can see Slot Pool way back up there. Well, we're not going any further downstream. I'm going to go back up here and look at Slot Pool and then head back upstream. See Rebecca way down there crossing the creek. It's a nice color, huh?
Yes, it is.
But we were just standing up there probably 15 minutes ago. Rebecca says she's going swimming. Oh my God, she is. I cannot believe she did that. I didn't get it. Do it again. All right, we're gonna say goodbye to these falls and hike back up to Baby Bear Falls?
I think so.
Is that what it's called? Oh, that ribbon's way up there. All right, we made it back to the drainage that feeds Swamp Falls. Crossing over. All right, we made it back to Sidewinder Falls. We're gonna go upstream and see if we can find Baby Bear.
Sun's shining on this pool of water.
This is nice. Feels good. All right, well, we're done waterfall hunting. We're gonna head back to the car, go find a burger and some fries and a Heart Rock, of course.
Of course. Every time.
All righty. Climbing out of here. All right, Rebecca and I finally crawled out from those waterfalls. Made it back up to the swamp.
Swamp thing.
Yeah, swamp thing. It's pretty cool.
Sunshine. I should be late.
All right, this hike is basically done. The waterfalls were awesome.
Oh, your car's gone.
Had really good flow. But the hike out of the bottom really sucked. It is no joke.
No, it is not.
But yeah, another hike in the books. We're done.
Bye. Till next time.